welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about my vlog that I'm going out right now. So I'm just going out. I'm just on my stairs right now. So I'm going out to like for some further important work, and I'm all ready. I have my sanitizer right here in my bag, and yeah, let's see what happens. Today is unlockdown phase 1, day 1. So we already have a lot of people and crowd, and I'm just working out. Oh god, everyone is out, and it's already very cloudy. I don't know if you can hear me or not. It's very cloudy right now, so let's see what happens. $45. So I finally boarded the auto, and now I'm going to my destination, my final destination. And there are a lot of people around on the road, and some of them are not even wearing masks. I just saw a few of them, and it was really surprising. And now I'm finally on my way. And yeah, it's kind of risky because this auto particularly has 4 people, and I am right on the front with the driver, and yeah, just heading to my destination. It's so tiring. Wearing the mask and talking is a hell of a deal, and yeah, I'm just looking forward. Alright, so the weather is very cloudy. That's all I can say. I'm walking. Yes, so suddenly it started raining, and it's sunny also. But then it started raining, and thankfully I had an umbrella to carry with me, as you can see. So we have a long walk right now, and we are walking. There is kind of a teeny bit of traffic, and that is all. So we are just moving on and walking. The weather is sunny. There is sun right there if you can see, but then as you can hear, it's raining, and I'm walking. Not at all safe, but still. And the wind is very strong. It can turn off my umbrella. भाई कितना भीड़ है यहाँ पे. We are just walking and it's really drizzling and wind is blowing a bit too fast. So damn pathetic to wear a mask and talk. Can't talk wearing a mask at all. चाय का दुकान भी खुल गया यहाँ पे. Long way to go, but then I prefer walking rather than getting into another auto because that's not safe. That's very risky. I'm just walking and walking and walking, and this place stinks you. There are a lot of buses and bikes. I'm almost there. It's very difficult talking and walking wearing a mask. It's so suffocating for me, but then we have to do it to be safe, you know. So today is unlockdown phase 1 D1. So everything seems quite normal today, and people are just dying to come out of their house. That's what I can see. Now it's around 3 p.m. and there's a lot of crowd in the streets, and even if the weather is deteriorating, still there's a lot of crowd. Hey guys, so finally I am getting to sit in the bus stand, and I bought a mask. I bought another mask because I have to come for around another 2-3 days. So I bought a mask. I bought a new mask, and I'll show you guys later when I get back home. So I got that, and I have reached my destination. So I'll again vlog when I go out and return back home. So I'll see you guys. So it's really warm and humid right now, and my chashma is just slipping away. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of the sweat, and it's so suffocating, guys. So I decided to stop by near the ATM. There's this line right here, and yeah, a lot of crowd. So guys, I'm finally walking my way out, and that's the best part. Walking भी हो जाएगा and घर भी पहुंच जाएंगे. So I'll be there in say around 10-15 minutes. So I'm just walking, and guys, you won't believe itna ज़्यादा crowd. It doesn't feel like there's coronavirus or corona ever happened, and some people are so unconscious that they don't even realize that they are wearing the mask like wrong. They don't even cover their nose, and it's really pathetic to see all that, and it really makes me sad. And there's no social distancing at all. Hey guys, so I'm heading back home right now. And guys, just look at the traffic right here. It doesn't feel like a lockdown, like it doesn't feel like coronavirus here. I don't know what are people thinking, and I don't know why are they risking their lives like this, and it really saddens me. Really bad. Okay guys, so I finally reached home, and I'm exhausted and tired, and I'm not going to go out for more anymore. Okay guys, so I finally reached home, and this is my condition right here because I've been walking and walking and walking to avoid public transport. So I finally reached home, and this is my condition, and I gotta go have bath and just sanitize myself and everything and make sure that everything is safe. You guys, I would suggest you guys not to go out because I had to go because I had the specs problem, and I also had some other work of mine. So it's around 7:15 by my watch, and I went out at around 3 p.m. So it's been like 4 hours. So that's all about this video. I hope you guys really liked my first attempt at vlogging, and if you really like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do share, do subscribe, and yeah, that's all for now. I'll see you guys later.